Hello, my name is Jennifer and I live in Chile in the city of Puerto Montt. Today I will talk to you about what the summer season is like here. To start, the temperature reaches is 20 at 25 degrees approximately. For this reason, the activities we do are more frequent than are done others, such as going to the beach, to playing volleyball, swimming, surfing, etc. Being so hot in these summer days, it is common to see people wearing light clothes such as shorts, dresses, shirts, and swimsuit. Thank you for attention.